For this video, I'm going to be using wool. So there are different types of wool. There's Brazilian wool, baby wool, and also wool. I think there are other products too. There are other brands or other wool, but today specifically, I'm just going to be using wool. The reason why I'm using wool is because it's lightweight. So yeah, most of them are all lightweight, but this one gives like a very good finishing. First, this is how I'm just going to unravel the wool before I start making it into locks. And this is the most easiest locks. Yeah, this is the most easiest locks you can think of. So after unraveling the wool, we just go ahead to use scissors and just cut like in the middle. We just cut it just to give me a long length. So I want the hair, or she wants the hair to be a little bit long. So that's why we made it this a little bit long like this. So yeah, we just go ahead to start wrapping the hair or making the locks. So yeah, her hair is really short. I'm just going to go ahead to wash the hair with shampoo and conditioner, just so that her scalp and her hair will be very neat, and so that everything will come out neat. The scalp, the hair will come out neat. So after that, we'll go ahead to use hand dryer to further dry the hair. And while drying the hair, or when I notice the hair is dry to an extent, I'm just going to apply oil or hair cream to the hair just to add moisture. All right, for this style, I'm just going to start styling the hair in lines. So first, I'm going to box braid the hair first before I go ahead to start wrapping. We'll take an extra piece of I'll take an extra piece of the wool, like 2, 3, or 4. I'll just use it to wrap the hair like so. We'll just go ahead to wrap until I get to the desired length I want, or the desired length she wants, because she's the client here. Hi everyone, welcome back again to the channel. Thank you so much for tuning into today's video. How are you doing today? Please, if you are new here, just consider subscribing. Just click on the subscribe button to join the family. Give the video a big thumbs up, because it actually helps us, like it encourages us to film more videos for you guys or more tutorials. Leave a comment on what you think about this hairstyle. Let me know in the comment section below what you think. And yeah, and I'm just going to use it to box braid her hair down to the tip of her hair. And then once I get to the tip of her hair, we'll take extra 3 pieces of wool and just use it to wrap until I get almost to the tip of the initial pieces, initial 12 pieces I use. So just watch the video so that you understand what I'm actually doing, because you know her hair is really short. So I'm just using the wool to extend the length, just so that I can get, or so that we can get like a long length of the hair or the locks. We'll be wrapping the hair from the root of her hair down to the tip of her hair, or up to the tip of her hair. And when I get to the end of the tip, I'll just go ahead to tie a knot just to secure the whole wrapping. So yeah, at this point, I'm going to allow you guys to watch the video so that you understand the whole process, because this is I just applied shine and jam to the front part of her hair. That's her edges. I just styled her edges using using shine and jam to style the hair. That's her edges. And yeah, here's the final look. Hope you guys like it. If you did, please give the video a big thumb up. Good. If you did, please give the video a big thumbs up, and if you did not, still give the video a big thumbs up, so that you will still be encouraging us, you get, so that we can also, you know, film other hairstyles for you, and you can let us know the particular hairstyle you want to see up next on this channel, because we are back in full. We are going to be giving you guys back to back different hairstyles, not just hairstyles, makeup, gele, like everything in one channel. You get to learn so much in one channel, so stay tuned, like subscribe if you are new, and yeah, I will talk to you guys in my next video. Stay blessed as always. Bye.